Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to start building our website from scratch. We are going to design a website in such a way that people will love it. And then we are going to design a business website. So watch everything to the end. And at the end of the day, you can design your own business website, or you can design a business website for people and charge them money. Okay. So this is what we got yesterday. This is our back end. This is the back end of our website. This is where we do the customization, design, everything, the styling, whatever we do, it will appear at the front end here so that people will see. Okay. So when you come here, there's no need to learn coding. Coding is not important here because we are using Wordpress. Okay. We are using Wordpress. And then the CMS system of the Wordpress is going to help us create everything. Okay, without stress. There's no need to learn programming languages, script, and everything. We are going to design this, on the site from scratch. And whatever we do, it will appear at the front end and people will love it. Okay. So when you come here, you see we have a post here. We have one post here. And this post was generated when we launched the WordPress software through our cPanel. So you can delete it since you don't want it. So here, when you come, you can write your post here. If you want to write a post, if you want to post something to your website to appear here, you have to click on this one, post, and then you click on add new post. If you want to create categories, you can also click on this and then create these categories. If you want to add media, or if you want to add, say, a picture, a video, whatever, audio or whatever you want to add, okay, you have to add it through the media. Okay, so we click on add new, and then you can add your pictures, you can add your videos, everything you want to add. Here you can also create pages such as about us, contact us, privacy policy, whatever you want to create. Okay, and then if you come here, you can also customize the menus. When you go to website like this, let's look at this one for example. Okay, so if you come to this website, what you see here are the menus. Okay, what you see here, we call this one the menus. Okay, these are the menus. These are the menu items. Ghana news, whatever you see here, they are the menu items. Okay, so these menu items, you can create it using your pages, or you can create it using you can create the menus through pages, or you can create the menus through the categories. Okay, you can use categories to create menus. You can also use your pages to create menus, and then when you come here, you can add them to the menu and it will appear as this is showing. And these are some of the pages I've created: about us, contact us, hire me, privacy policy. These are also some of the pages I've created. Okay, so we also create pages to look like this. You create menus or whatever you want to do. You do all. Okay, so without much ado, let's continue doing something. Okay, so if we don't want this one, which is created automatically by our hosting company when you launch WordPress software, what you do is go to all posts, okay, and delete it. So if you come here, click on trash, and then go to the trash and delete it permanently. Delete it permanently. Okay, so when you come here and refresh the website, you see the post will disappear. Okay, it will disappear. Now, if there are also pages, you go to pages and then you delete them. But here we don't have any pages created on our website. When you come here, what we see here, they are called widgets. Okay, what you see here, they are called widgets. But these things, some of them are not necessary. So let's go and delete all of them. So come to, if you want to delete widget or you want to create widget, come to appearance and then click on widgets. Okay, so when you click on widget, you will see all the sidebar widgets here. These are the sidebar widgets. These are the sidebar widgets. Okay, so let's delete everything, the sidebar widgets. So what we do is, you click on this and then click on delete. You click on this and click on delete. You click on this, click on delete. Click on this, click on delete. Click on this and click on delete. Okay, let's leave the search item here. Let's search with there. Okay, so let's refresh the website and let's see. Okay, so after refreshing, you see that all these things have been deleted. Okay, except the search there. So we are going to use a theme to build the website. When I say a theme is a template that we use to build a website. Okay, in WordPress we have so many themes. We have business teams, we have magazine teams. Whatever website you want to think of, or whatever website you want to create, you can get a particular theme matching the kind of website you want to create. So we are going to create different kinds of websites. We will create business website, we will create news website, we will create membership website, any kind of website you want to create. And we will design different kind of website with different themes. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to use themes to build the website. If you want to get themes, there are so many places to buy themes. You can go to the largest theme seller on the internet is called a Theme Forest. Everything you want to get, everything you want to get to for your website, you can get it here. Okay, if you come to Theme Forest, we have so many themes you can buy. Let's say we want business themes. You type in business. You type in business WordPress theme. Business WordPress theme. And you can get so many beautiful business WordPress themes. Okay. So here we have some business WordPress themes which are very, very nice. If you click here, let's say we are using the focus on business WordPress theme. Now you can do the preview and see how this theme is going to look at when you build a website, how your website is going to look like. So let's click on the preview and see how the theme is looking like. So as you can see, this is a complete website. As you can see, this is a complete website. If you build a website if you buy this theme, your website is going to look like this. Okay, you build a website to look like this. And this is very, very, very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. And nobody will know that you are using WordPress to build a site. Maybe people think that you have learned programming languages, you've learned PHP, other things like HTML and then CSS to build a website from scratch. But you have not learned any kind of coding. You don't have any knowledge in coding. But with a theme, you can build a complete website. Okay, the theme beautifies your website. It gives beauty to the website. Whatever you want to do, you have to do it. Whatever you want to do, and you get a particular theme which is suiting your plan, which is suiting whatever you want to do. It makes your website so beautiful. So we are going to use different themes, and we are going to customize this theme to look like what we see here. Okay, so you can build a website to look like this. If you're using this theme, you can build a website to look like this, and everybody will admire this kind of website you have built. Okay, so we are going to use different themes, and what we are going to use premium themes. These are called premium themes, the themes which come with a price. Okay, and you can customize it to suit your own needs. If you go to WordPress, if you go to the WordPress repository, you will get so many free themes which I don't recommend. The free themes, sometimes you can customize them, but you will not get a full authority to customize everything. Okay, so, and there are some disadvantages which come with the free themes. Okay, so I will recommend everybody use a premium team to build a website. If you build a website with a premium team, you have full right to customize everything, to tweak everything you want, and to design it so nicely. Okay, so we are going to use premium teams to build all the websites. So whatever website you can think of, you can come to Team Forest and search for it. If you want news and magazine teams, you can come here and then search for all the teams, everything you want to develop. Okay, if you come to the WordPress repository itself, you can get so many teams. If you go to appearance and then you come to teams, you can get free teams here. You can get free teams here. This is the current team. This is the current team we are using because we are in 2017. The moment you launch WordPress software, to give you it'll give you an automatic team, and this automatic team is called 2017. Since we are in 2017, if you're in 2016, this one would have been the team we are using. If you're in 2015, this one will be like the team we'll be using. But if you come to here, if you come to this one, we have so many teams where some are free. If you go to add team, or if you go to add new, you get so many free teams. Okay, these are some of the free teams. You have feature teams. You can get all these ones for free. This team is probably one of the e-commerce teams. Okay, this is an e-commerce team. This is also an e-commerce team. If you want to build a store, okay, you can use such teams. These are all free teams you can use without payment. You can use all these teams without payment, but I don't recommend using free teams because you can use free teams, all right, but you can't customize everything to suit your needs. Okay, sometimes some of the free teams come with a pro version. Okay, so you don't buy the pro version, you are limited to some things that you can customize. But if you buy a premium team, you can customize everything to your needs. You can do everything you want to do. So if you come here and you want to if you still want to use a free team, you can go ahead. I don't have a problem with that. You can come to popular, and then you get so many popular teams. These are some of the popular teams here. Yeah, some popular teams, some are nice. Some you think are nice, you can use them. Okay, Sydney team is also nice, but you can also get a pro version to use. These are all the free teams we have in the WordPress repository. Okay, these are also construction teams. These are also like this is a magazine team. Okay, if you want to build a news website, you can use this one. Okay, these are also a magazine team. Now, if you also come to latest teams, okay, you can also come to latest teams and you get so many teams. Okay, you can also get so many teams here. There are a lot of free teams in the WordPress repository, so you can get them for free, but I don't recommend free teams. Okay, so these teams we've given, this team that we've been given, we are not going to use this team to design our site. We are going to use a different team. So in the next video I'm going to shoot, we are going to use one of the premium teams. This team is $59. You can get it. We are going to use one of the premium teams. Okay, we use one of the premium teams to build a complete website. Okay, so bear with me and then look nowhere for other sources of getting team. You can come to Team Forest and you get all your teams you want. So the next video I'm going to shoot, we are going to design a professional website. Okay, this professional website, we're going to use a premium team. So the next video I'm going to shoot, we upload the premium team we are going to use and then start designing the website by building or creating posts and creating pages and then going step by step to finish everything. So we will come back later and then upload the premium team we are going to use to start designing the website. See you in the next video. Bye bye.